It's wonderful, I must say. I mean, thankfully, my show did really well in India. We were a number one show for, I think, 2, 3 years or more. And I think after that, internationally also, it was taken up by so many different channels. Dub karke, log dekh rahe hai. And the kind of love that we are receiving from everywhere, like be it Azerbaijan to Cappadocia to Turkey to I don't know, like so many places, Georgia. Again, we have so many friends and people who watch and love us in Georgia. I think it's been amazing. It's always been amazing. So many times.
Okay.
Not really. I haven't taken up anything as of now. She's obedient, but she's equally naughty. She's like really naughty, and she's like just 1 year old now. So I'm seeing the tantrums have just begun, and it's going to be crazy. But she's not going to be easy, I'm sure. Ooh. Favorite person is very difficult now because Ruhi, of course, has changed our life completely. But I think my parents and Rahul and like now, again Rahul's parents. So I think the entire, my closest family, like it's the most important to me. Oh gosh, weirdest thing. I think, yeah, I mean, I find it weird that when the fan pages start fighting with each other about, I don't know, like some irrelevant issue, that makes me feel very weird.
Okay.
As of now, no, but I see my like extended family show her that, oh, like because my show is going on here, so they just try and show that, oh, can you recognize her? And then she's like just happy to look at the screen for now, but I'm sure that sooner she'll come to know. Lovely. It's always been very, very nice working with Dee. Like she's very much in touch. We've always been close. So it's just wonderful. So many. Oh God, me and Jia started this journey together. So we were newcomers. And so one of the things that I would love to share with you all that I don't think everybody knows. I used to unknowingly, I would like to believe that, unknowingly, I used to really, really bully her. You know, like, so she used to just try and be on the set like half an hour early. So I'd be like, what to do half an hour early? So I used to always like be behind her because we used to travel also together, you know. So I think I have spent unbelievable, we've spent too much time together. We used to share rooms together, we used to sleep together, eat together. So I think I've spent too much time and I have some lovely memories. I don't know. Abhi tak I used to feel that, you know, with the previous episodes or Big Boss seasons I must have seen, I was not a big fan, you know. I mean, I was like, okay, I'll not be able to handle any of these people. But I think now, the last two seasons that I have seen, I think the kind of people that they are inviting and everything seems much easier for me to handle is what I believe. But of course I feel that, you know, Big Boss is it's a tedious show, you know. It'll be because of course your personal life is out there and how you behave, and I am quite short-tempered, so when I'm nice I'm very nice, but when you just rub me the wrong way, then I can be a horrible person.
Okay.
So yeah. Oh, so many times. So many times. I believe that, but I would still say that, you know, 10 years back when we had just started the show and everything, it was very chilled out. It was not like, it was not this crazy with social media and people are like non-stop trying to like get in touch, and like it used to be always very nice and mellow. But now it's all there. Like whenever we go out also, like people are always like coming up and it's little extra. I know Rahul would want. I was happy with one, but you never know.
Okay.
Not at all. I think one thing that my father had taught me was to live a life that you will have no regrets in, you know. And I think I have done everything that my heart has desired and I have wanted, you know. So I think I have no regrets and I'm very happy about that.
Okay. Yeah.
No. Well, he had only seen the first episode.
Okay.
I think we had all seen it together as a family. And yeah, that was it. So he had never ever seen an episode, but I think, of course, he knew that, you know, the acting was always one of my biggest passions. And I started acting, I think, the day I faced the camera for the first time ever in my life. Rahul was right there, you know. So from the first day till the last day of my shoot, he was there with me. So he came on the first day also, and he came on the last day also of my shoot. In between, he was not there. But he's always been, you know, very supportive, and he always knew that, okay, this is something that I loved deeply. So he's been, he's always been amazing. There must have been. I believe once ऐसे कभी तो एक कुछ scene चल रहा था. I think he must have been there. तो ऐसे देख के he was like, oh, this is very nice. I remember a good compliment, but I don't think he's really come to tell me that you can do better. I don't think so. Oh, my other name was Riya.
Riya.
Yeah.
Okay.
Rahul was actually in my school, but we met through a common friend during our college days. I think my last year. So through a common friend we had just met. I think I would say 8.
8.
Yeah,
Okay.
I've come to 8. Yeah, of course. I mean, it was amazing. I think we were just so excited and like we were just so emotional and everything. It was just all together. We were just, I mean, it was really filmy like we've always seen, right? And I think it is one of the, you know, it is a dream come true. So we were very excited. Like, and from day one, you know, everybody's been like so protective and it's been wonderful. I was thoroughly pampered in my 9 months and of course even then later.
Right.
I think one of the most important things for me and Rahul were like we were very close friends, you know, we were best friends. I must say, but we were lovers before we actually became friends. But I mean, once you fall in love and like, you know, it's all nice and honky-dory initially. But then it was very important to have that kind of friendship, that bond together, you know, because that is what stays forever. I mean, of course, as lovers, we're always going to be, you know, together and, you know, all that romantic mushy things are there. But I feel that when the friendship and that respect and that support is there for each other, I think it makes up for a very, very good marriage. And I think our relationship is again very, very important to us. You know, we knew for the like forever that even when we have kids, you know, we are still going to find time for each other because लोग हमेशा यही कहते हैं अभी तो time ही नहीं मिलेगा तुमको एक दूसरे के लिए. That's not the case. I was out for a movie date with my husband on the 14th day I delivered my baby, and we used to manage it so well. And I have to say that my Rui was a great sleeper, you know. So she used to sleep military बच्चा था, मतलब every 3 hours she would wake up. So we would finish our 2-hour movie and come running back. So I mean, we've tried to maintain that, and of course we'll try to maintain it like forever.
Yeah.
Oh God, I mean, it's so difficult to pick one, but I mean, just at the top of my head, I can just remember one which used to be my favorite scene. Me and Jia had this scene with a big motichur ka laddu. It was hilarious. I think we have had the most fun doing that scene. I mean, that was very unique, that was very different. So I think I have to pick that scene. No, honestly, when I had taken a break, I of course wanted to spend some time with my parents before I actually got married. So I did that. I went out, I took them for a Europe trip, I spent time with my family there. And I think then I got married, then I wanted to enjoy my honeymoon phase and all that. So, you know, at that time, I was not really keen on taking up any show because I was working with my husband as well. So I feel that now I have Ruhi. Ruhi's again grown up. So if there is something that's really nice, you know, a character that I feel that I'll not be able to say no to, if a nice strong character comes my way, definitely it's not a no at all, you know, in any way. I think I believe in multitasking and I'll be able to handle everything brilliantly. So I'm just waiting for a very good script, you know, that should make me feel that, yeah, this is going to be worth my time. It's always been amazing, right from the first day. It's fabulous. I mean, we've always been very, very close, and he's still very much in touch with me. Of course, we don't get to meet that often. जो हम हमेशा पहले भी बोलते थे, you know, that shit, like when the show gets over, we're not going to be able to meet each other like every single day the way we used to eat together, sleep again, you know, like everything used to be like we used to be together only full day long. So I think, of course, we miss being all the time. We miss eating together and meeting together all the time. But I feel that we've still been equally we've still been in touch. So I just wait to meet him because अभी तो मतलब महीनों बाद हम मिलते हैं. So now I think Vishal, you might as well come and meet me soon now.
Okay, thank you so much.